Good morning, all of you, students of class 9th. This is the lesson, The Adventures of Toto, and we are here to start the new paragraph. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself nothing better to do, decided to remove the lead. Lead means cap. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he got in, with his head sticking out from the open kettle. This was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, sat down again. He continued hopping up and down for the same time until grandmother arrived and hauled him, half boiled, out of the kettle. If there is a part of the brain especially devoted to the mischief, that was that part was largely developed in Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces the whenever one of the aunts came near him. He made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. What happened one day in this above paragraph, which I have read right now, that the monkey Toto was a really very naughty monkey, and his regular behavior or regular exercise or regular activity was to bath in a large bowl with a warm water. So it was regular activities of his day-to-day exercise. And one day on the kitchen there was a in the kitchen there was a kettle on the gas chulha on the gas chulha was kept for boiling the water for the tea, and Toto was roaming from here to there in the kitchen. Toto has seen that boiling water in the kettle. He understood that this boiling water is used for bathing. So Toto, on the burning stove, he entered into the kettle, and he was not understanding that boiling water is very dangerous for him, and it is continuous boiling. He was about to die, or he after a large burning, or after a burning started, or what happened if the burning would be continued. So after some time grandmother has seen there that Toto is boiling in the kettle. So grandma has come there and seen that he has been half boiled, and immediately he pushed off the gas knob, and finally Toto was alive. Toto was left. Toto was safe there. As we think that brain is well developed in monkeys, and in Toto it is heavily Toto, the mind of Toto was really much developed in the comparison of other animals. Whenever Toto finds anything nearby him, dress, paper, or any other object that can he tear, so Toto always try to tear in multiple pieces, and always hold the things with him and tear everything, whatever he like or dislikes. Next paragraph. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. My grandmother screamed and Toto threw a plate at her. So one of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. When grandmother arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. We found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree. The dish is still in his arm. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. And then, in order to spite grandmother who had screamed at him, he dish through the he threw the dish down from the tree and chatted with a delight when it broke into 100 pieces. What happened one day? At the time of lunchtime, everybody was nearby the center table of dining table, and everybody was sitting at the center point of the dining table, and the very nice dish of pulao was kept on the dining table. Everybody was going to have the pulao, going to eat the pulao. When each member of that family entered in the dining room, they have found that Toto was already eating the pulao before the time. And whenever everybody has seen, then Toto has taken the plate from the dining table and has run through the window and gone to the and climbed up at the jackfruit tree in the garden. Everybody was rushing and asking or requesting the Toto monkey to hand over or to return the plate, but Toto was very naughty. Toto has kept the all pulao, and whenever number of the persons started to his aunt his, means one of the author's auntie started to clap or started to scold the monkey in a harsh voice, then Toto monkeys has become angry, and Toto has thrown the plate from the tree, and plate has broken into number of the pieces, and Toto monkey became very happy to after throwing the plate on the ground. That was ridiculous, and that was very poor job of the monkey that has made everybody so much disturbed. Obviously Toto was not the sort of the pet we could keep for long. Even grandfather realized that we were not well to do and couldn't afford frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpapers. So grandfather found the tanga driver and sold Toto back to him for 3 rupees. What happened after this exercise means Toto has whatever done very poor job, that Toto has torn the number of the curtains, clothes, dishes, and wallpapers. So everybody of the family, grandfather, grandma, and grandparents, grandchildrens, everybody was facing the frequent loss of the dishes and other items. So grandfather finally decided to send back Toto monkey to the tanga driver and sold back to him for only 3 rupees. Means grandfather has purchased Toto monkey for 5 rupees, but he has sold in 3 rupees because he was very naughty monkey, and he was not type of animal that can be kept in the family. Finally, this was the last decision, and this is the story written by Ruskin Bond. There are a lot of questions that you have to complete. These are the questions. Have a nice day and complete this all.